Menteri rang ba kejala Konrad ke sangma ulapan bena baka Sorkar kala Mynjur ya kajing dawa bala slam joginong tre master role ha kabaya day but ka variable dearness allowance VDA ha kabala kami linti bakan wanra ya kajing pynlut kabankan sa shiphok lur tingka manlau snem. Ya kani Konrad ulapan bena ha ba ajing kran ha kajing rakhe yak International Workers Day bala penlong dak office Jongka Labor Commissioner Meghalaya Building and Other Construction Workers Welfare Board Hagashitarik Jemang. Ngasngok man ban pentip shapi baha kalay potrik yayong ka Sorkar da kababu hakmat ya kajing kerpang jongka singi shitarik Jemang ka Sorkar kala pelat ya ka file bat ngila Mynjur na ka VDA ka batmay na ka benta kinong tre master role knang ba kini kinong tre jongi kinyo e kajimentoy kaba ki day hok banyo ong menteri rangba. Menteri rangba ula ong ru baka ni ka senjam kandon ka jingkta i ka plating ka Henry kalong ka bakong san nakabenta ka jingbit jingbyang bat ka baha ka met jong ka imlang sa lang. Kani kan penlong ya ka Sorkar bakan haban pynlut sa shpok lur tingka manlau snem Henry nginget baya ka ni ka pisa bala pynlut kanlong nakabenta ka jingmentoy ka bakam he jong ka imlang sa lang kam tam kitu kibaduna hakilyang ka yo ka kon ulaang. Kum taru ngila shim ya kani ka rai ka bakong san bat ngasngok man bakani kan ajing man toy ki hajar ngut ki master role jongi lembat ki wepat ki nong tre ba pher ki ba tre hakita tre kam ba pher ula benram.
I'm also happy to inform you that the variable dearness allowance, the VDA, which our master roles have been demanding for quite some time. I'm happy to inform you that just yesterday, the government, keeping in mind today's importance, just yesterday we have cleared the file and we have approved the new VDA for the master roles so that our master roles can get the necessary benefits that they deserve. This will incur an additional amount of about 10 crores per year annually. Additional amount will have to be shelled out by the government. But we believe that this money that we are giving, this additional amount of 10 crores that is shelled out over and above what already is being spent, is for the benefit of the larger section of our society, the economically weaker section of our society, and hence it is something that as a government, keeping the social aspects in mind, is something that we must do. And therefore we have taken this important decision, and I'm happy that this will benefit thousands and thousands of our master roles and different workers who are working in different departments and different organizations also.